Right, morning people, brake pads time, because they're really well worn and I need to change them. Well, I've got a caliper problem probably, I'll have to find out. So I've just come off before and try to put brake caliper back and I wouldn't go back, but I've got a way of doing it now. So I'm going to try again. It's third time lucky I hope. So take that off, spring, two of them, and yeah, see what I can do. Right, as you can see I've got electric handbrake, so I need to take handbrake off. So press that and push down. Oh, new brake on. And that's it. Push down, that's it. And that should go off. You get a warning sign like that. And it just goes off eventually. There you go. So I'm going to come right back. Should be able to move it. Not. Hang on a minute. Right, it's loosened, so I can move it, but I need to get rid of that. Then first, caliper pins, and then the pads are probably. We'll find out. Oh yeah, I'm using an Allen key for that. Don't know what size it is. They say it's a number 7, but then again, I don't know. So I'm going to try again. Now it's loose. Yeah, that's one. It is 1, 2, far too much now. So I'm going to try and see what these are like. Oh yeah. I'm not boring changing it thing. Just can't be arsed with that yet. It's not too bad to say it's been hearing brake pads. Right, yeah. See if I can twist that in. Don't think I can, but I'm gonna have to try. So I'm gonna use it tomorrow or the rest of this week. For me to get to working. Been moved once, should do it again. So let's hope it goes in. Oh yeah. I'll unscrew the reservoir cap on the brake cylinder thing, so I can push it in better. Or I might get a spanner onto a thing and do it that way around. Yeah, right.
2,000 years later.
That was a complete ball ache. Freaking hell. Couldn't get that in, so I couldn't twist. I was twisting that instead of that. And I couldn't get in first. And I couldn't get a brake fluid cap off either. Now I have done all back in, apart from the spring clip, apart from this thing. That's what holds it all in. It should be better than before. I'm not doing the other side because it can't be arsed, you know. Get garage to do that for its MOT. Now, see you in the next one.
Tomorrow.
Right, update on the brakes situation. Had to get a new caliper because the other one was threaded on the other side, the pipes, and thanks to the garage in Skipton, it's now fixed and everything works. Cool.
Later.
Right, here's tyre one on the front driver's side. That tyre's okay. Another tyre, rear left, and a brake pipe, and this one, another tyre. That's 3 tyres, so I might as well get 4 tyres out of it. 3 tyres, 1 brake pipe, and what was clicking up front. Just look at that, in a wall there. Kind of dangerous myself. Oh, no wonder the Pirelli. So, yeah. Did the brakes. I might need to change that. Don't know yet. If they do, I've got one. All lights are good. Including fronts. All lights are good, including fronts. Full beam works, indicators work. Just the brakes. And I've got parts for that, so I'll take it thing. I don't think I need any front brake discs, anything, but I'll take them just in case. And what else do I need? That's about it, I think. Oh, Wingham RT guy. I having MOT guy tomorrow for the rear brake pipe. Should just tap it out and get a proper one in. No lights on the dash. That's a brake light where you just saw front. And after Christmas, New Year, that bad boy. And yeah, won't be putting them on. They're absolute crap. So yeah, adios.